Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at understanding Proton Mail's law enforcement guidelines. Does Proton Mail give police your data? Well, found the truth. Proton Mail is famous for its privacy, but what happens if law enforcement comes knocking? Can they read your emails? The answer is nuanced. Here's exactly how it works based on Proton's own transparent policies. Core Principle 1. What Proton cannot access? First, the most important fact is that Proton Mail uses zero-access encryption. This means your emails, contacts, and calendar events are encrypted on their servers before they leave your device. Proton does not have the key to decrypt this data. Therefore, they cannot hand over the contents of your encrypted emails to anyone, including law enforcement. They simply do not have access to it. Core Principle 2. What Proton can access? However, like all email providers, Proton email has access to certain metadata. This is information about the account, not its encrypted contents. By default, this includes sender and recipient email addresses, the date and time an email was sent, and the subject line of the email, unless you use the Proton Mail to Proton Mail encrypted subject feature. Crucially, by default, Proton Mail does not log the IP address from which you access your account. This is a key privacy feature that distinguishes them. Core Principle 3. How they respond to legal requests. Proton is bound by Swiss law. Here is their process. A valid order is required and it must be validated by Swiss courts and comply with Swiss privacy law. So, they don't respond to foreign requests directly. Next, they notify you. If legally permitted to do so, Proton Mail will notify the user of the request, giving them a chance to challenge it in court. Lastly, they can only disclose the unencrypted metadata we mentioned earlier. They will never hand over decrypted email content because they can't access it. So they can only disclose the unencrypted metadata. Now, it's an exception, which is the Swiss criminal investigations. Under a legally binding order from Swiss authority, in a serious criminal investigation, Proton may be legally compelled to start logging the IP address of a specific account. This is rare and is detailed in their transparency report. So here's the final recap. Your content is safe from everyone. Your metadata is protected by Swiss law and your IP address is private by default. Your privacy is always protected by both technology and strong legal jurisdiction. Hope you found this video helpful.